Silas Clark one time. There he is. There he is. We're out here on the lot at Akins today, y'all. You heard him. We're out here at Akins. Got Hernan and Austin going for this open canvas right here. This black Raptor. Beautiful iconic silver going back to Arkansas. An amazing Gen 3 right there that we truly love. And what we like to do is check out these bad boys in their stock open canvas form and visualize what we've been dreaming of and thinking about. This one we're thinking our INDORAPTOR paint package with some code orange accents, a fuel heater wheel. INDORAPTOR is an opportunity to take a regular Raptor and take it up another notch. But Austin, if you're ready, about to hand the keys over and he's smiling, he's excited. This is stock number NFA 03417. You might want to write it down because by the time this video is produced, it may already be gone, y'all. I'm talking about Raptor 37 package. You know when the jersey comes out, the Vince Carter swag, it's game over. We have another 37 package Raptor, and it's an INDORAPTOR because it's one step above a regular Raptor. You feel me? A diamond right here, let's go. Y'all, this is Raptor Central. We got a full performance blue Raptor right there. I'm just so proud to be a part of this. It's truly amazing. Gets me fired up every single day to come pump out everything for you guys and gals because everything auto comes through Akins Ford and Wild Willies. Don't forget it. You know Real Deal is only wearing legendary swag jerseys. Vince Carter, when he went in the rim, game over. That's what's happening right here at Akins Ford and Wild Willies. We have an Agate Black 2022 bad boy that we totally transformed. We're gonna start with all of our custom paint work. We did the fenders, front, rear, bumpers, rear cladding, all in Agate Black because this all comes, as you saw in the video earlier, in the stock form. It's odd. But this right here is truly special, y'all. Doing all custom paint all the way throughout. You know, the Raptor R that's about to come out, Ford's doing black fenders, kind of like we are, but they're like a matte black. We do body color, Agate Black all the way across on this grille that's typically gray. And we've done similar orange variations of that orange on the inside, that candy. This is our first time ever doing code orange on the Ford letters, front and rear, inside the headlight. Did a complete blackout with code orange just on the Raptor portion. In the past, we've also done code orange around the high beam and low beam. Thought this would be a little bit too much since we're doing the Ford letters, code orange as well. So tastefully done, not overdone. You know it's something special. All the way up front, doing Agate Black on the front bumper, bump pads, skid plate, and then the Baja Design Squadron Pro lights hiding behind that grille, putting out over 1,500 lumens, are a great addition to give you more nighttime visibility. It adds to your safety. You got rigid lights down here that are fully functional as well. We smoked out the side amber markers and top markers as well, toned down the amber throughout the vehicle. Up on the heat extractor, did Agate Black with a nice code orange pinstripe there, looking amazing, y'all. So much work goes into that. If you knew the man hours that went into doing just this heat extractor, you would see the value, y'all, every single time. Side heat extractor did black as well. Mirrors, you don't notice it, y'all, but the mirror connecting piece right here was like a textured black. So did Agate Black all the way around. Around this portion here that you see from the inside of the vehicle, did Agate Black on this portion here as well. Taking care of the details is what we're all about right here. Now, this is a 37 package, so we did not do anything to the suspension, y'all. The suspension on a 37 package, properly equipped, was with shock specifically tuned for 37. So we just took the 37s off in lieu of a more boisterous wheel and tire combo. The fuel heater 17x9, -12 offset, and the BF Goodwrench KM3 mud terrain in 37, 12.5, 17. You know, Real Deal loves the 22s. You can't lose with 22s like Luda says, but I'm actually running with the 17s right now. So all of you hardcore Raptor guys, you're probably happy with me, but I'm happy with myself because I still got the 22s. I'm gonna break them out very soon. The 22s are coming back, I'm telling you. But for now, the 17s is a good supple ride quality and very capable off-road. So again, no modification to the suspension of this because it's already with a 37 package from the factory. We got Hernan videoing the day. He is gonna rock and roll with us at Akins, y'all. So hit him up for all your vehicle needs as well. Coming on around to the back, more paint match throughout. Subtle, we love America, y'all. We got the American flags on both sides. Did a gate black on the non-light emitting components and did a nice legal smoke on the components that the light emits through. Looks amazing. You can see that LED shining through there, looking so subtle and discreet. The rear applique was great, as you saw earlier. Outback did a gate black there and a coat orange on the facing of the letters only, facing of the F-150 only, and outline of the Raptor on the side. That looks amazing. Hernan, back up and let's show them that tailgate, y'all, one more time. Let's appreciate that. When you see this coming down the road, you know something special. It's like a regular Raptor's okay, but this right here is just like, let's go. Yeah. We have Baja Designs S2 Sport reverse lights because we believe in more lighting always being a benefit. So we've got great additional lighting out back via Baja Designs. We've got a Retrax power bed cover up top, fully functional back and forth, and again with a power tailgate that comes down for you. Have an Akins liner guaranteed for life. Why is this in the back? Maybe we have a special audio on the inside. Now also, you got your hands are full, you need to get the tailgate up, take that knee right there, bump up on it, magic. All the way up, so legit, y'all. All those little details from forward matter too. A good side shot of the 37 package Raptor right here at Akins and Willies. Notate that the front is still about 3/4 of an inch lower. So from the factory, the 37 package still comes a little bit lower, but y'all, if you level this truck out, you're gonna be front side heavy. If you're front side heavy, you gotta put a spacer in the rear. So we don't like to disrupt this suspension package from Ford because it's over $7,000 and we don't want to unless we absolutely have to. So on the mild to wild scale, that mid-level range just gives us the ability to not have to modify the suspension. On my silver INDORAPTOR with the 22s, I had to actually level it and put a spacer in the rear because I was so bolsterous and big. So this to me is the best balance of more aggressive, but not having to mess with the factory suspension. I'm telling y'all, these Baja Designs Squadron Pro lights are amazing. I have the Squadron Sport on my Raptor and it's about 500 lumens less as overall light output, and I can tell the difference in how bright these are. So if you're debating between the Squadron Pro and the Sport, go for the Pro every single time. We also have rigid rock lights under each wheel well. The rock lights are a huge benefit. They downcast light here at nighttime, and you can see on a 360 camera at night while maneuvering backwards. So rock lights are to stunt and show off, but they're also to help you maneuver at nighttime. Now on the inside, I know that you saw we had a little sub going on. We have the JL stealth box with dual downfire 10-inch subs there. And Hernan and I just checked this bad boy out and it hits hard, y'all. Here is our window sticker. Pause here to see all the factory equipment. And here is our INDORAPTOR package coming in at $122,664. Yes, of course, this is a pricey vehicle, but there's nothing but value that we added to these components to make it the best version of this Raptor possible. Here's our Baja Designs reverse lights, great ample lighting, nice and discreet, tucked in between your tow hook and your exhaust there. We have exhaust modes as well. It's in normal mode right now, and it sounds pretty good to me. You, Hernan? I think it sounds great. So we're in normal mode, we still have sport mode, and then Baja is even louder. Real deal Rose in Baja pretty much all the time, y'all. So I love the exhaust mode. It's not a V8, of course, but in the proper mode, it sounds a very exotic, race-inspired sound to it. So don't knock the twin turbo V6 because I'll leave you in the dust, I promise you.
I think we should show them.
You wanna show them the different exhaust modes? I want to finish out back because there's something truly special about the rears of our Ford Raptor INDORAPTORs. You see this coming down the road because I'm gonna be in front of you. You're gonna be seeing the rear more than the front. So we want to make sure that the rear is totally legit while all the other competitors are behind us, y'all. We're all about pushing the envelope and we want to be number one. It's not about being number two. We want to do whatever it takes on a daily basis to be number one because life is short. Why not maximize your ability and potential to be number one? I promise you it's better when you're in the lead, y'all. Catch y'all next time. Peace out.